Naghahanap ka ba ng food spot na breakfast to bar ang kayang i-offer? Pwes, siguradong pasok sa trip nyo itong The Coze Cafe sa Banawe, Quezon City. Yan ang recent discovery ng newest celebrity food explorer na makakasama natin today. Ang isa sa mga leading men ng pinakabagong GMA Afternoon series na Binibining Marikit, si Kevin Dasom.
Well, okay.
We are located in Banawe, so yung busy streets every day with all the, car stores and somewhat yung iba, those are Chinese restaurants where we go and eat and then aalis na tayo. So we don't have the opportunity to sit down and feel a bit relaxed, and that's why we created this to make it para at least may a cozy place to go in Banawe amidst yung buong araw na hustle and bustle ng buong Banawe.
So today we are at the Coze Cafe on Banawe Street in Quezon City. We're gonna try these beautiful drinks, beautiful desserts, and yeah, we'll just get right into it. I'm gonna try the caramel-based coffee. You can see there's popcorn on it. It's a unique twist to a cafe dessert. Yo, this is good. Okay, now I'm gonna try drink of coffee. Glory. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Stay away from me. So good. Okay, now this one might be a little bit healthier. Pistachio White Forest. White Forest is probably the whipped cream on top. Oh my. Really good. You stay away from me too. Okay. Outside of these sweet, I would call them sweet drinks, right? These are sweet drinks. We have some nice cocktails. All right, this one, heard earlier, tamarind twist cocktail. You can see there's a nice little tamarind on top. The density in the liquids, so they don't really mix, but they do mix, but not really. I'm gonna give it a nice little stir. Pretty good, pretty good. Never had this drink in my life, but I like it. Normally we don't eat the mints in a cocktail, but I really like this mint. Yeah, I really like the herbs and everything. Alcohol is not too strong. Sweetness is to a, I would say, perfect amount, minimum for me. And this one, the most interesting drink. Let me see if I can get it on the first try. Jalapeno colada? No. Jalapinarita. I'm not sure what the bubbles are on top. What's the bubbles on top? Is it a sugar? Is it a... It's just a foam.
Jalapeno foam.
Jalapeno foam. Okay, I'm gonna... Can I drink it? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Eat the foam. Well, okay. All right, so that's a good thing I did that. It's a spicy foam. How do you make foam spicy? Who does that? This is pretty good. The drink itself, spicy cocktail. As you can see by the look on my face, this is a very, very interesting drink to me. But this is a good time. If you're looking for, let's say you're a little bit full, you're a little bit drowsy, you have this, boom, you're awake, all right? You can hit the next spot right after. Next, we have our desserts. The turon, fried banana wrapped in flour, a delicious delicacy. They have something like this in my hometown in Thailand, but not like this, just similar. And the turons here in the Philippines are just a little bit better because look at the size, you know, it's just a little bit thicker. And it's really good. There's something else in here. Is this sweet potato?
Purple yam.
Purple yam. Okay, so it's banana, purple yam, some nice rice-based wrapping. Now, finally, gonna try. This is called a knickerbocker. Right, native to the Latin province of Asia, Zamboanga. I've never had this. It's similar to halo halo, similar, but with its own little twist. There's a lot more fruit in here than in a halo halo, I'll give it that. Alright, so let me see. That tastes like, what is it? Melon, banana, mango. Is there watermelon? And strawberry ice cream. At the bottom is a green jelly. Give me some green jelly. Definitely more fruity than my my halo halo taste that I've had. And this one, because of no ice, I think it's just easier to consume. And in my opinion, you know, just a good time because of the ice cream, because of the fruits, because of the jelly. So here in the Coze Cafe, outside of the wonderful desserts, drinks, and cocktails, we also have breakfast and barn style of food. So we're gonna go ahead and try the hoisin beef noodles first. Yo, that's pretty good. I need to ask the chef what the secret recipe in this is. Now, the creamy carbonara. All right, the secret to having a nice creamy carbonara is breaking the egg yolk, this nice little poached egg. All right, here we go. Definitely creamy. Wow, and then you have some nice sourdough bread. I hope you heard that crunch. Now, this chicken is way out of my league. This People's chicken is way out of my league, so I'm just gonna try a French fry first. Fries are good. Oh my God, that is some good fried chicken. So I'm just gonna try some lechon kawale, some nice garlic rice, and some vinegar dip with some garlic. Oh, that rice is good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to have a cooking lesson with the chef here. Wow. You know, I don't think I can say too many good things about the food. You know, it is like I mentioned earlier. It is breakfast to barn style of food, high protein, high carbohydrates. You know, this is a feel-good food. Again, this is the Coze Cafe, Quezon City on Banawe Street. And don't forget to stay tuned to Binibining Marikit on GMA Afternoon Prime. Amazing cast: Herlene Budon, Pokwang, Chris Villanueva, Migs, Jeff, Ashley Thea, Tony Labrusca, and me.